Hi, I'm Marleny Franco from Gardening the Organic Way. I'm a plant physiologist who's turned urban gardener, but I love gardening. Gardening is my true passion, and I want to teach you everything I know about organic gardening. I recently released my book, Garden the Organic Way. It presents an engaging practical guide as to why we should garden organically, as well as every detail as to how to garden successfully. You will have the opportunity to learn the fundamentals of organic gardening, from planning the season for year-round vegetable gardening to working just like the experts in controlling those major pests. We will discuss the various families of vegetables, when to plant them, and their growing practices. Find out how to develop rich soil and obtain a bumper crop. Join the Garden the Organic Way movement. Get Garden the Organic Way book now at gardeningtheorganicway.com.